Hey entrepreneur, how much does safety and productivity mean to you? If you happen to lift sheet metals and pipes, we're sure a lot. But let us ask you a question. Do you really guarantee maximum safety? Lifting systems such as pliers or ropes are outdated. Ropes can slip and break. Also, pliers can shift and often leave constant marks. Do you use magnets? Good. But be careful. If you lift sheet metals with a material thickness of less than 40 millimeters, low-cost products will not be able to lift them safely. What about European ones? You need at least 20 millimeter material thickness. In any case, even if it seems to be working, the sheet metal may detach during handling, with serious consequences for personnel and the sheet metal itself, which most likely must be thrown away. Why does this happen? It may seem paradoxical to you, but the thinner the sheet metal gets, the more you need a high-performance magnet to create an adhesion force that can safely lift it up. In fact, the first question you have to ask yourself is not how many kilograms you can lift, but which material thicknesses you can lift safely. Today, the only solution is offered by the German company Alpha. Innovative and patented lifting systems with permanent magnetism allow you to lift and handle materials starting from only 2 millimeters material thickness. No one else offers the same. Alpha magnets, completely innovative. Reduced weight and dimension, extremely easy to handle. They also fit in beams or rails. Lever activation is possible with one hand. Safety lifting hook, which can be turned 180 degrees and rotated 360 degrees. Vertical lifting, easily, conveniently and safely. Slight pre-magnetation for easier positioning of the magnet on the material. As explained, Alpha magnets are safe and extremely flexible. They lift and position materials and finally help to assemble them. Do you want to know more? Ask for detailed advice.